Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Reader's Workshop. Let's read our teaching point and see what we're going to be learning today. Teaching point. Readers have superpowers to look, point, and read everything they can. So do you remember in Reader's Workshop when we all became super readers? We wore our superhero capes and learned so many ways to read better. Today, we are going to go back and practice some of your superpowers. We are going to practice how we can look, point, and read everything we can. So do you remember our superheroes reading chart? We had this poster and it said, I can read. And remember, we wore our superhero capes and we use our pointer finger to point only one time under each word. And it said we have pointer power. But we're also going to practice looking today and using our eyes to look at the picture and then to help us point under each word as we read. Because the picture helps us a lot. It tells us what the words could say on the page. So today we are going to read the book, The Flying Monkey. While we read, we are going to look, point, and read everything we can. So we look with our eyes and we point with our finger. The Flying Monkey. So let's begin reading our book and using these strategies to help us. Look and points. The Flying Monkey. Oh, so I'm going to use my eyes and I'm going to look at this picture. And in this picture, I see a monkey in a hot air balloon. And I see that he's going up high. And I also notice as I look, I see a sun and I see houses. So now I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to start reading. My balloon went up over the houses. Wow, that was very good. So I look with my eyes and I point with my finger. Let's keep going. Wow, now I see the monkey is still in the balloon and he's going up, but now I think that he's over a farm because I see a farm, I see a tractor, I see animals. So let's use our pointer finger and point to each word. My balloon went up over the farms. Wow, so I was right. By looking, I can see that there are some farms, and I can also see that there are animals, and that the monkey is still in the balloon going up. Okay, let's use these strategies and keep going. Wow, now I'm using my eyes to look, and I see that the monkey is still up in the balloon, but now I notice there are many trees. So let me take my pointer and let's see if any of these words are in my sentence. My balloon went up over the trees. Wow. So by looking, I did notice and see that these words were in my sentence. So it's so important for us to use our eyes and to look at the picture to help us read. Now I'm using my eyes to see that the monkey is still high up in his balloon, but now he's over these things, and these things are called hills. Hills go up and then they go down. So now let me use my pointer. I'm going to point and read. My balloon went up over the hills. Wow, I was right. So by looking at the picture and using your eyes, it really helps you to read your sentence. Let's keep going. Wow. Now when I look, I see that the monkey, I think he's over now some mountains. Wow, look at these mountains. And he's up really high. So now I'm going to take my pointer finger and I'm going to read, my balloon went up over the mountains. It really helps for us to use our eyes and to look at the picture, so it helps us learn all the words on the page. Because maybe if I didn't look and I just started reading, I wouldn't have known the word mountains. But if I look at the picture, it really helps me to read my sentence. Let's go to the next page. Wow, now the monkey's up really high and I see these white things in the sky. And I think we all know what these white things in the sky are. These are clouds. So let's take our pointer and start reading. My balloon went up over the clouds. Wow, you see how great it is if we use our eyes and look at the picture and then we point under each word to read? It really helps us learn all the words and to make sure that we are right. Oh, wow. Now I'm looking with my eyes in my book and I see that there's a rainbow. So the monkey is way up high over the rainbow. So I'm going to take my pointer and I'm going to read. My balloon went up over the rainbow. Wow, you see how great that was? I used my eyes and I looked at the picture and I looked in the picture and saw a rainbow and I noticed that the monkey was over a rainbow. And the word over is in my reading of my sentence. All right, here's our last page. Let's look. Now the monkey, I noticed that he's not in the sky anymore, that he's down. And I see it says splash. So let's take our pointer and read. My balloon went down, down, down. Wow, so the monkey fell down. So boys and girls, it's so important for us to look at the picture and to point. So when we read, we look, point, and read everything we can. So you remember when you were a superpower that you would use this superpower and we would point. I can read. So you're going to be a superhero again. So your activity today is to take a video of yourself reading. Make sure you show how you look, point, and read everything in your story. We can't wait to see all of your work today. Have a great day and don't forget to be a super reader.